If you're a painter, not only are you rewarded with a lifetime of personal, unique art, you create your own meaningful, potentially transformative experience every time you sit down in front of a canvas. And you don't need to know how to draw or go to an art school to be an artist. You can start painting with oils today from your own living room. With expert instruction from veteran artist Daniel Remenfard, comprising 21 video lessons, Beginner's Oil Painting covers all the basics you need to start creating your own works of art right now, including choosing paints and brushes, setting up, mixing colors, and more. Daniel also leads you through a full painting demonstration.
I do my best to follow in the footsteps of a lot of the traditional masters, but at the same time introduce my own vision and ideas. When I learn about techniques that are done by some of the old masters, I implement them a lot into my own work. And I kind of experiment with them, and I think that's one of the key features of being a student of art, just constantly experimenting and trying out new things.
Track your progress through 2 hours of HD video, organized by topic with key points, as well as downloadable, printable resource documents and lists of the exact materials that Daniel uses.
Walking into an art store could be a nightmare for a lot of people. What I wanted to do was develop a kit that is specifically designed for somebody who doesn't know anything about art, but is going to get products that make sense, eliminating this frustration of going into an art store and trying to pray that you buy the right things.
Best of all, the course is optimized for use on any mobile device, and your access never expires. Review lessons as many times as you need until you master the techniques. Learn all the basics of oil painting from a true visionary of the craft for one low price. And with a 100% money-back guarantee, you can return the course if you're not satisfied for any reason. Start your rewarding new adventure. Enroll now.